Hi, this is Malcolm Turner with Castle Commercial Capital. I want to welcome you today, and today we're going to talk about the Swiss Army knife of business financing, which is SBA loans. But before we get started, let's roll our intro. Thanks for tuning in. We want to talk about SBA loans, but before we do, we want to ask you to hit the like and subscribe button below. You can find us on Facebook as well if you're under hashtag Castle Commercial Capital. And we post new videos on our YouTube channel all the time. So go ahead and smash that subscribe button so you can get put in on the latest content as it comes up. But let's talk today about SBA loans. So what's an SBA loan and who's it for and when does it make sense? This is part one of our series on SBA loans. And so we're just going to give a basic overview. An SBA loan is for a business owner, and it was created by the Small Business Administration. It's a government-backed program, but not a loan from the government. So let me be clear. The government guarantees the loan of a private commercial lender. So it is typically a commercial bank or commercial lender that's doing the loan, and the SBA is just guaranteeing the loan. That gives lenders more comfort to do more lending because they know they can lend out capital on loans that maybe they wouldn't normally do because they know they've got a government guarantee backing them up just in case the loan goes bad. So an SBA loan is for a small business for profit, not nonprofit, but for profit, that is looking to acquire funds for either acquisition of real estate, equipment, inventory, fixtures, or working capital, typically. If real estate is involved, as well as all of those things, other equipment and furniture and equipment that we mentioned, you can have an amortization term as long as 25 years with SBA loan, which is fantastic, and with no balloon payment. If there's no real estate involved, then it can be still as long as 10 years, which is still great and better than most standard commercial loans at the bank that does not involve SBA. SBA loans are low interest loans. They have a low down payment, as low as 10%. And they also have a low credit standard compared to, again, your standard financing at the bank. So what kind of business can use SBA loans? Well, just about any for-profit business. Whether you're talking about daycare centers, auto repair shops, used car dealerships, towing companies, dental offices, service businesses, just about any type of business can use an SBA loan. There's few restrictions at all, actually. Now, what can you use the money for? Well, like we talked about, I can use it to buy my own building. So if I'm leasing space and the owner wants to put the building up for sale and I don't want to move, I can use SBA loan to fund the acquisition of that building. I can also use it to fund the equipment. So if I have a dental office and I need very expensive x-ray equipment, I can use it to fund that. If I have auto repair shop and I need a hoist, I can use SBA financing for that as well. So there's a wide variety of needs. And if it's a new business or a significant expansion of an existing business where I need multiple things being done, all of those uses we talked about, with SBA, I don't have to have separate loans. I can have one loan and use it to fund equipment and working capital and inventory and the purchase of real estate versus having to have separate loans for all of those respective uses. The SBA loan, like I said, is a great program. It's a little bit more paperwork than a regular program, but you can get SBA loan done in 60 days. And so if you're dealing with an expert who specializes in SBA loans and know all about the program, it does not have to take long. Now, if you're dealing with a lender where they'll take your application and then after you leave, they got to read the SBA manual on how to do an SBA loan, that loan's going to take a while. But if you're dealing with someone that does SBA loans all the time, they don't have to be lengthy at all. And so, again, at Castle Commercial Capital, we work with a variety of capital sources. and we deal strictly with SBA preferred lenders. And what that means is, by being preferred lenders, those lenders have pre-authorization for SBA to approve your loan and fund your loan without going to SBA ahead of time. That's how they can get it done so fast. But I hope this video was helpful. I hope you got some good information from it. And if again, I want to encourage you to like and subscribe. We got the information below to our YouTube channel. If you appreciate this content and you found it helpful, please do that. And till the next time, we're going to see you again. Thanks. Have a great day.